Good morning, student. In this class, we will learn about punctuation and its type. What is punctuation? Punctuation means putting pause at the right place in sentence to express the meaning clearly and to make it easier to understand. Punctuation's type: full stop, comma, exclamation marks, question marks, apostrophe, inverted commas. Full stop. Where we use full stop? At the end of a statement or a command. For example, come here. It's a command. English is my favorite subject. It's a statement. It is also used after abbreviation and initials. For example, PhD, B.Ed, doctor. Question marks. Where we use question marks? It is used at the end of a question. For example, do you like ice cream or chocolates? Here we use question marks. How are you? Where do you live? Exclamation marks. Where we use exclamation marks? The exclamation marks is used after exclamation, showing sudden or strong feelings of grief, joy, surprise, and wonder. For example, what a beautiful dress it is. How pleasant the weather is. Oh, what a lovely gift it is. Commas. Where we use commas? Comma has the following uses to separate word in a series. For example, bring potatoes, tomatoes, paneer and chilies from the market. So here we use potatoes, then again we use comma, tomatoes, then again we use comma, paneer and chilies from the market. The kitten was sweet, cute and beautiful. Remember, don't put comma before and. To separate expression like thank you, yes, well, in fact, however. For example, yes, I will go to the market with you. So here we use comma. Yes, then again we use comma. Thank you, sir. Here we use comma. The announcement was in fact made by the government. So here we use was in fact, comma, made by the government. To separate groups of words in a sentence. For example, if you work hard, comma, you will win. The principal of the school, comma, the director and the headmistress were present on the occasion. Apostrophe. Where we use apostrophe? It's show position or belonging. For example, Rina's bag is lost. So here we use apostrophe. Rina's bag is lost. Malika's hair is very long. The cat's tail is short. Plural noun that end in s and apostrophe after the s. For example, the mansion was converted into the girls. So here we use apostrophe. My duty included cleaning out the horse's stable. Plural noun that do not end in s and an apostrophe plus s. For example, he employs 14 people at his man's clothing stores. Using apostrophe to show omission, an apostrophe can be used to show that letter or number have been omitted. The short form of I apostrophe am. Short form of I will, I apostrophe LL, short form of he will, he apostrophe LL, short form of she will and she had, C apostrophe D, short form of pick and mix, pick apostrophe N, mix, short form of it is hot, it apostrophe S, hot. Capital letter. We use capital letter of the following, the first letter of the first word in a sentence. For example, painting is my hobby. The first letter of all proper noun. She lives in Jamnagar. So here Jamnagar is a proper noun. Our school will reopen on Monday. So Monday is a proper noun. The proper noun I, Mira and I are best friends. The important words in a heading of books, movies and stories. For example, the Ramayana. So here Ramayana is a book's name. So here we use R is a capital. The discovery of India. Every new lines of poem may be usually being with a capital letter. For example, in winter I get up at night. Thank you for your attention. Thank you.